Hi guys, I'm Pratiksha Ranjan and here is my new project, a polling API. This is the GitHub repository of this project, and we'll be testing the APIs on these six endpoints. So let's start with the first one. We'll be testing all these APIs with the Postman tool. So let's start with the first one, that is creating your own question. So here you can see that we are almost ready with creating our question for the voting. So the question we'll be creating is which brand you love the most, and this is the endpoint. So as we'll click on send, we'll get this response which says question created and all the data. To test if it is actually created, we'll be going to the MongoDB and refreshing this. We can see that a question has been created with the question which brand you love the most. Now the second endpoint that we'll be testing is deleting the questions. So here we'll be deleting this question. So as you can see that we are ready with our delete endpoint. So as we click on send, we can see that the question has been deleted successfully. To check, we'll be again going to the MongoDB cloud, refreshing our database. You can see that the question has been deleted and only which brand you love the most is available here. So now let's move on to the next part, that is creating options. So to create the options, we'll just copy this endpoint and paste it in our Postman. So now we are just ready with creating our first option. So first option will be del. As we click on send, we can say that the question and option has been updated. To check, we'll again go to our MongoDB cloud. Here we can see that the question has been updated, and we can see an array which has our object ID and the option. We have del as our first option. Now the next endpoint is to view the question with all its options. So we have the endpoint ready in our Postman. It's a get request, and we click on send button and we get the question with all its options. You can see an array of options with Dell, HP, Apple, Samsung, and the title is which brand you love the most. Moving on to the next endpoint, we'll be deleting an option from our database. So the option we have chosen is HP. So we have the endpoint ready with us on the Postman. As we click on the send button, you can see that the option has been deleted successfully. Here in the MongoDB cloud, we can see that HP has been deleted as an option from our database. Last endpoint of this project would be to add a vote to an option. So this would be the endpoint we'll be giving a vote to Dell. So we have the API again ready on Postman. We click on send button, and we can see that option votes has been updated. Here on MongoDB cloud, we can see that Dell has one vote. We can get a list of all the questions as well as its option by just going on this URL. This is the message that we are getting. This is the data. These are the options, and this is the question. So I hope you like the project. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. For your reference, the GitHub link and the hosting link has been added in the description itself. Thank you.